Perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, as you can tell from the title, I'm just going to show you this quick tutorial on how I do this simple Bantu knot style. It's a well-known style in the natural hair community. I believe it was inspired by TheChicNatural. So I'm not starting off on freshly washed hair. I just had my hair in braids, so I'm just taking them down. And then I'm just going to start by making the section at the front where I want the Bantu knots to be. Alright, so once I have this section, I'm just going to start with the first Bantu knot at the center. So if you notice, the parts are done diagonally because we're trying to get that somewhat zigzag effect at the front. So I'm starting with the middle section to make the first Bantu knot, and then you will see how I part the others to make the other sections. So once I got the first section at the middle, I'm just going to use some edge control to smooth around the perimeter of the section, smooth it in, and then use a thin scrunchie or band to hold it in place, after which I'll just do a 2-strand twist. And after that, I'm going to wrap it around to make the Bantu knot. So that's basically what I do at the front. I just repeat the same thing, make the section, use the edge control around the perimeter, smooth it in, secure it with the band, 2-strand twist, and then make the Bantu knot. So in all, I have 5 Bantu knots at the front. Okay, next I'm just going to take down the other braids that I have in the back of my hair to give it that somewhat braid out effect. As I said, I didn't start off on freshly washed hair, so imagine what this would look like if I really did a proper braid out. So next I'm just going to do the edges. Just want to sleek those back to give it a clean effect. Yeah, and that's basically it. So I just did a little razzle dazzle with my face, you know, try to look somewhat decent during this inside time. And to show you another way you can style this, you can also put it up in a high puff. Put the section at the back that you have left out in a high puff by using a string, or in my case I used a shoelace because that's what I had on at the time. So I just use that, put my hair in a puff, use my pick comb and give it a little more volume. And yeah, that basically concludes the style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Perfect.